Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Well, I've just gone ahead and put the stock muffler back on, so we're going to be quiet again. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. I've got a few bits and pieces here, and I'll just get them unwrapped and explain what's going on. Okay, so it's pretty easy to see what they are now. They're new jacking points for underneath the car. Now I made sure I went ahead and got this thing as well, which fits in there and should treat them a lot better than just a normal jack or something. So I haven't used that yet, but I wanted to make sure I put the new ones in first. A bit of the reason for getting these is on the car. I'll just go and show you. Yeah, there. Hopefully you can see up in there. It's just missing altogether. That's part of the reason. Secondly, I'll have to show you, I'll go ahead and get one out here. To get it out, I think you pretty much just got to pry it. Hopefully you can see that. I just stick my pry bar up here and just try and get under it. And oh, there we go. And out she comes. Alrighty, now that did wreck it. So yeah, this one's not in too bad a condition, but this is a rear one. I'd say that other front one's going to be pretty nasty. I'll just show you the difference. Okay, I'm hoping I've got this right because these ones I've ordered, they're shorter. If they'll stay. Like you can see, there's a bit of height difference in them. Now I think they're from a different model of car, but I've just lowered my car. I put the coilovers in there the other week, and since the car's lower, it's more difficult to get a jack under. So I figured having these shorter, it means they're higher up in the car, which should be easier to get a jack under, I hope. I don't know, I ran into this trouble in my 325i, my last car, because it was low right from the start. And I always thought, oh, if this thing wasn't so chunky. And so yeah, I bought new ones, and they're pretty cheap. I can't remember, like maybe 10 bucks each or something, or I don't know, so yeah, 40 bucks and something like that. Anyway, pop it in. Should be as easy as just clicking it up there. Let's go. Okay, hopefully I get this right on the first go, because it seems like if I have to get it out, it'll break it. But I could probably clean that up a bit, but anyway, I'm not too fussed about it. So just pop it up there like that. So now, yeah, click her in, like so. It's a bit wobbly, it's just not ideal, but anyway, there we have it. And then see how that's more flush, so I should be able to get a jack. If I can't get a jack onto that, I won't be able to get a jack under here, so I'll have to do what I do and put the wood under it before I jack it. But anyway, hopefully that helps a little bit. I'll just go and pop the others in. That's pretty easy to do. That was easy. All I needed was this little pry bar, and just to pop these out. They all broke, so that was the one off the front, so you could see it's had a pretty hard life. That was a rear one, that was a rear one, and yeah, obviously the other front one was missing when I got the car, which is another reason I wanted to look into these more. And now I've got that, like that probably wouldn't have even fit in there, so yeah, this will fit nicely in the new ones. And I just wanted to point out, I also cut this little bit of wood, bit of decking out, so that like, yeah, you can imagine that sits in there like that. Oh, that one's too buggered. This one, oh, that one's even pretty too buggered. I made this the bit of wood, I made it pretty tight. I'll just show you. If I put this under there, and it's under there, you can see that now fits up into there nicely. So yeah, I made my little jack. I cut the jack and lowered that too, so this can be nice and low jack. And there, that piece of wood fits up in there nicely. Cool. Yep. So that'll probably come in pretty handy when it's on the ground. Well, the job's pretty much done. That didn't take long, like 5-10 minutes if that. I only needed this tool and obviously to jack it up. But yeah, simple. And yeah, end the video there. So thanks for watching. Share this around if you like. Leave us a like, comment, whatever. Subscribe. Thanks. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.